I recently purchased a Feiyu Pocket 2S. The Pocket 2S comes with a ton of features that are great for content creators, outdoor enthusiasts, and action junkies. The market is already flooded with lightweight cameras that have gimbals. What really caught my eye was the split design. With a magnetic head, the split design allows for a ton of possibilities. Many action cameras have a gimbal design. I really like the 3-way axis gimbal that comes with this package. The 5 series of tests I run are done in handheld mode and fast follow mode, and they check for lighting, range of motion, joystick control, night vision, audio, and extreme temperature and condensation. The following 5 tests were all shot in 1080. The camera offers what's called AI Beauty Function one-click optimization. That's great for controlling clear shots and the iris. It's bad if you're trying to get the sunset because the iris will continue to open up while the sun is going down. Now, on the one hand, the auto iris is interfering with the dusk sunset look that is really happening. However, it's opened up enough that you can shoot at night and make it look like it's late afternoon. I also use the joystick while in remote mode. The wide-angle lens allows for 130 degrees in any direction. Essentially, you have a panoramic lens. This is both good and bad. So far, I'm having fun playing around with this new camera. I'm enjoying a lot of the features and look forward to getting some better footage for you to look at in the future. If any of you have this camera or are also interested in purchasing it, please leave some comments below. I'd love to hear from you.